What'd you see? Christmas? You saw Christmas lights? Were they neat? Were they awesome? Were they awesome, Lily? You got an owie? Come here. Let's put the Band-Aid on. Come on. Come on. We'll put the Band-Aid on. Was it awesome outside? Huh? Lily? What are you doing, Lily? You got a Band-Aid? Lily? Lil? What are you watching? Watch what? You got a Band-Aid? What's the matter? What's wrong? You have owie? Yeah. No, Lily, the Band-Aid's down there, baby. On the couch. Right there on the couch. Do you need help?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, where's your boo-boo?
Here.
Right there.
That does not make you right. You're right. Being right makes me right. Then I will kill you and make you wrong.
Okay, Mama. That's so good.
Yeah?
This is good. Spicy. This is good.
You got a Band-Aid. And it's all better?
Here, Mommy, honey. Honey. Okay, Mommy. Abby?
Mm-hmm. What's stuck? What'd you see outside? What did Greg show you? Huh? The balloon is stuck. And you got a Band-Aid. You're welcome, baby. What did you see outside? Hannah, you didn't see Panda outside. What did Greg show you? Did you see lights? Did you see Christmas lights? You have an owie on your back? Where? In your tummy?